students, today we can study exercise 14.1 question number 3. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. Find the missing frequency F. On table given in here, all the data, that is 11 to 13, 7 children, then 13 to 15, 6, like that. In here one missing frequency, that is 19 to 21, that is missing frequency. We have to find out that missing frequency, that is our question. Already given in here, mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. Mean already given. First, we can draw one table. In this problem also we will use step deviation method. Any method you can use, you will get same answer only. I am going to use step deviation method. By step deviation method. First, daily pocket allowance. Rupees. The next number of children is F I. Then given data we can write in here 11 to 13, 7, then 13 to 15, 6, 15 to 17, 9, 17 to 19, 13, 19 to 21, F, 21 to 23, 5, then 23 to 25, 4. Then we need mid value xi. Midpoint of 11 and 13, that will be 12. 13 and 15, 14. In between 13 and 15. Then 15 and 17. In between 15 and 17, 16. In between 17 and 19, 18. Then 20, 22 plus 24. Then UI means xi minus a divided by h. We can take from mid value any number like assumed mean. I am going to take 18 is assumed mean. Any number you can use. And then UI 18 means first we will write 0 in here. Then upside minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3. Downside 1, 2, 3. This is shortcut. If you are using by this formula also, you will get same answer. Then what is h? H means in here 13 minus 11. How much? 2, isn't it? H will be 2. 15 minus 13, that also 2. Then Fi Ui. Multiple this Fi and Ui. 7 into minus 3 is minus 21. 9 into minus 2 is minus 12. 6 into 2 minus 12. 9 into minus 1 minus 9. 13 into 0 0. Then F into 1 F. 5 into 2 10. Then 4 into 3 12. Sum of Fi Ui equal to, we can add all the things, this 12 minus 12, that will be 0. Then remaining minus 21 minus 9, you will get minus 30, minus 21 minus 9. Then remaining 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 minus 30 you will get 20. That means minus 20 plus one more term is there, that is f. Minus 20 plus f. That is our sum of ui fi. Don't forget to add this f also. Then n equal to, we can add all the numbers, 7 plus 6, 13 plus 9, 22, 25, 30, 34. 34, 3 remainder, then 3 plus 1, 4. 44, then plus, in here also one f is there, 44 plus f. There. Here, h equal to, what is h? That is 13 minus 11. 13 minus 11 we will get 2. h2, then a means how much? Already we took 18. Then n means 44 plus f. Then sum of fi ui equal to minus 20 plus f. Then mean x bar equal to, mean how much? Already given in question mean is 18. Now we can use that formula. Mean x bar equal to, the formula is a plus sum of I equal to 1 to n fi ui divided by n into h. N means summation of fi only. Then x bar, that is 18, already given in question, 18. A means, a also we took 18. 18 plus sum of fi ui, that is minus 20 plus f divided by n means 44 plus f into h. H is 2. 18. This 18 first bring to left side, that will be minus 18 equal to minus 20 plus f divided by 44 plus f into 2. 18 minus 18, that will be 0. 18 minus 18. Then this denominator bring to left side into 44 plus f, then remaining minus 20 plus f into 2. 0 into 44 plus f, 0 into any number, that will be 0 only. 0. Then after, from right side, 1, 2 is there. The 2 also bring to left side. That will be in here into 2. Multiplication change to divided by 2. Then remaining minus 20 plus f. 0 divided by 2. 0, isn't it? 0. This minus 20 bring to left side. That will be plus 20. Equal to remaining f. Then 0 plus 20 is 20. We got f. Therefore, missing frequency f equal to 20. Now we can see question number 4. 30 women were examined in a hospital by a doctor. The number of heartbeats per minute were recorded and summarized as follows. Find the mean heartbeat per minute for this woman, choosing suitable method. We can use any method in here also. Some data given, we can do. Then total 30 women. by step deviation method we can use in here also. Step deviation method. Then first, number of heartbeats per minute. Then number of women next. That is Fi. First 65 to 68 2, then 68 to 71 4, 71 to 74 3, then 74 to 77 8, 77 to 87, 80 to 83 4, 83 to 86 2. Already given this given data. Then first we will write mid value xi 65 68. In between 65 and 68 which number? 65 66 67 68. Which number? Two numbers is there, 66 and 67. Then find out mean of 67 and 66 and 67. Which number will come? We can write 66.5. Correct middle. Then this like you can find out. Otherwise, just add lower limit and upper limit. 65 plus 68, then divide by 2. 65 plus 68, you will get 133. Divide by 2. 133 divided by 2. 6, 12, 1, 3, 6, 12, 1, 0 in 10, 5. Like that also you can find out 66.5. The next 68 and 71. 68, 69, 70, 71. Two numbers 69, 70. In between we can write 69.5. Then 71, 74. How much? 71, 72, 73, 74. 72.5. In between 72 and 73. Then same like that we can find out all the mid values. 75.5, here 78.5, in here 81.5, in here 84.5. Then now we need UI. UI equal to xi minus a divided by h. Which number we will take as a? Your wish. You can take any number. I am going to take the 75.5. That is a. Then that will be 0. Then upside minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Downside 1, 2, 3. UI fi. Otherwise fi ui. Anything. Can multiple fi and ui. 2 into minus 3 minus 6, 4 into minus 2 minus 8, 3 into minus 1 minus 3, 8 into 0 0, 7 into 1 7, 4 into 2 8, 2 into 3 6. Then sum of ui fi equal to, or you will get, look, minus 6 plus 6, that will be cancelled, isn't it? That will be 0. Minus 8 plus 8, that will be cancelled. Then remaining which one? 7 and minus 3. 7 minus 3, 4. Same minus and plus numbers. Just cancel. Minus 6 plus 6, 8 minus 6, minus 8. Cut it. Then remaining 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. Then n equal to, you can add this one. You will get 30 because in question already they told 30 women, isn't it? That means 30. Then we can write what are things we need. Here, first we can write age. Age means 68 minus 65 equal to 3. Class width will be 3. And then A means 75.5. Then sum of UI, FI equal to 4. N equal to 30. Now we can use that formula. Mean x bar equal to A plus sum of UI Fi divided by N into H. Give all values in here. X bar equal to A means 75.5 plus UI Fi is 4 divided by N means 30 into H. We can cancel this 30 and 3. Directly we will get 10. Then x bar equal to, take LCM. What is LCM? LCM will be 10. Then 75.5 into 10 because your denominator in here plus 4. X bar equal to 75.5 into 10. You will get 755 because 1 0 after point 1 number, isn't it? That to cancel, plus 4 divided by 10. X bar equal to 755 plus 4, 759 divided by 10 equal to 1 0. If you cut means put 1 point, that is 75.9 heart beat per minute. Our answer is 75.9.